For this activity, the chemicals required are ferrous ammonium sulfate, that is Mohr salt, potassium permanganate, concentrated sulfuric acid, and dilute sulfuric acid. Switching on the digital weighing machine, we will check its zero balance. Then we will weigh the filter paper. By placing it on a machine, we will note the weight of the filter paper and add to it the amount of Mohr salt we require. That is 0.5 plus 1.96, that will be 2.4 gram approximately. So we need 2.4 gram of Mohr salt per 100 ml. Now we will prepare the solution of Mohr salt. Pouring the measured salt in a beaker, we will add to it 10 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid. Addition of concentrated sulfuric acid prevents the hydrolysis of Mohr salt. We will add 90 ml of water to the mixture, stirring it continuously. Following the previous measuring method of Mohr salt, we will weigh the filter paper and the required amount of potassium permanganate, that is 0.6 plus 0.3, that will be 0.9 gram per 100 ml of water. To prepare the solution of potassium permanganate, we will pour the measured salt in a beaker. We will add 100 ml of water to it and stir it to dissolve the salt. The apparatus required for the activity is burette, burette stand, pipette, funnel, conical flask, measuring cylinder, and beakers. We will place the funnel on the burette and pour potassium permanganate solution. As this solution is colored, so we will read the upper meniscus of burette. Rinse it through the nozzle. Our initial reading of burette is 1.1 milliliter. We will pipette out 20 ml of Mohr salt, pour it in a conical flask. Make sure to touch the tip of the pipette to the base of the flask to drain out the last drop of Mohr salt. We will add 20 ml of dilute sulfuric acid to the Mohr salt in conical flask. Place the conical flask beneath the burette and start pouring the KMnO4 solution by opening the nozzle of burette. Stir it continuously while pouring the potassium permanganate solution to the mixture in conical flask, so that the reaction should take place completely. When the solution will turn to permanent pink color, the end point has been reached, which means the reaction is complete. Thereafter, we will note the final reading, that is 20.2 ml, and we will calculate the volume used in this titration.